Hi, I'm Lucy from matchedbetking.co.uk. Today I'm going to teach you the basics of matched betting and how to use your Matched Bet King free trial to make you £55 tax-free. OK, let's get started. You're going to want to register for a free account at matchedbetking.co.uk. This will give you all the tools you need to start making money matched betting. Once you've signed up and logged in, click on Step 2. This is where you sign up to a betting exchange, Betfair and bookmaker, William Hill. Place a bet of £10 and get £30 in free bets. Seems simple, right? But be careful. Always read the terms and conditions. Bets must be placed at odds of 1.5 or greater to unlock your free bets. Now that we've signed up to William Hill and Betfair, we're going to head over to Matched Bet King and click the Auto Matcher link. The Auto Matcher tool matches back bets by bookmakers, in this case William Hill, with lay bets from betting exchanges like Betfair. This is the most important tool for matched betting. Here we can see the Auto Matcher has found a matched bet for us. Par Giannina versus Atromitos at a rating of 101.65. The higher the rating for qualifying bets, the bigger the profit. Ideally, for a qualifying bet, you want a rating of 95 and above. Ratings under 100 will give you a tiny loss, but this loss is offset against the profit you will make from the free bet. The qualifying normal bet is £10, as this is the amount that will enable us to unlock our £30 free bet. At odds of 2.48, you could lay to win £10.70, with a liability of £15.84. This will enable us to make a profit of 16p regardless of who wins. If you don't know what liability in matched betting is, check out our Matched Bet Jargon Guide on our website. OK. Now let's head over to William Hill to place our bets. Done. Let's place our lay bet on the Betfair exchange. Always make sure the odds on our Auto Matcher calculator agrees to the bookmakers and betting exchange odds. We're going to lay £10.70 for a liability of £15.84. Now that we have placed our bets, we will come back once the match has finished. The match has now finished and my William Hill account is showing that our £10 back bet has lost. In our Betfair account, we can see that our lay bet won, resulting in winnings of £10.16. This means overall we are 16p in profit, with £30 in free bets available for us to redeem. Next, I'm going to show you how to turn our free bets into withdrawable cash. I've come back to the Auto Matcher to find another matched bet. When trying to turn free bets into withdrawable cash, the most important criteria is odds. We're aiming for odds of 5 and above. The available column shows us the maximum amount we can lay on the Betfair exchange. Firstly, we're going to set our bet type from a normal qualifying bet to a stake not returned free bet. For tutorial purposes, I'm going to redeem £10 out of our £30 in free bets. At odds of 7, you could lay to win £8.63 at a liability of £51.80. This bet will allow us to turn a £10 free bet into £8.20 of withdrawable cash. We're going to do the same process again and place our back and lay bets. We'll come back once the event has finished. Here's our William Hill account. Let's recap. Our qualifying bet Par Giannina lost and gave us a profit of 16 pence. Now our free bet Grand Inquisitor lost at William Hill. At Betfair we can see that our lay bet won, giving us a profit of £8.20 that we can withdraw to our bank accounts. If we repeated this process with our entire £30 free bet, we would have an overall profit of £24.76 that we could withdraw to our bank accounts. Now, once you've completed the William Hill free bet offer, you can progress to the Betfred offer, which is the same process, but with minimum odds of 2. Hopefully, by the end of the 2 bookmaker offers, you will have £55 of tax-free withdrawable profit, which you can invest into a premium plan that could potentially earn you thousands of pounds. I'm Lucy from Matched Bet King. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us on our website at matchedbetking.co.uk.